PETG, or polyethylene terephthalate glycol, is a versatile 3D printing material known for its moderate print speed. It boasts impressive strength and flexibility, making it an excellent choice for creating durable mechanical parts and containers. Unlike ABS, PETG is easier to print with due to its lower tendency to warp and better adhesion properties. Additionally, PETG's resistance to moisture enhances its suitability for a wide range of applications, ensuring reliability and longevity in various environments. TPU, or Thermoplastic Polyurethane, is a unique 3D printing material recognized for its slow print speed due to its flexibility and elasticity. This material can be challenging to print with, requiring precise settings and adjustments to achieve optimal results. However, TPU's flexibility makes it ideal for producing a variety of flexible parts, such as phone cases and wearables. Its ability to withstand bending and stretching without breaking makes it invaluable for applications that require durability and adaptability.